Hi everybody, how are you? In this video I will show you how I could establish a connection between ChatGPT, Unity and AWS. So let's begin with a small demo. I have here the application running on the Samsung device. So I just say hello to ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
So ChatGPT could answer and could talk, so that's awesome. I will ask something a little bit more specific to ChatGPT. For example, who is Tom Cruise?
Tom Cruise is an American actor and producer best known for his roles in films such as Top Gun, Mission Impossible, and Jerry Maguire.
Okay, so that is an excellent answer. Uh, I will now explain you how I did the system. In this video, I will not dive into details. If you want to see the whole implementation, download the source code, the Unity package of the application. Please read the article in the description of this video. So, first of all, I will explain how I did the Unity app. So I used a lot of UI components to do it. The main one is a canvas. Inside the canvas, we have the scroll view without scroll bar, and after that, a lot of panels, text, and images. I also used extra components like the content side filter, which allows the text to expand according to its size, and the layout groups. After that, I will explain the architecture. So first we have a login system thanks to Cognito, which is the authentication service of Amazon. And this is a basic username and password authentication. After that, once the user is logged, the user send the message he wrote in the chat to an endpoint we created thanks to API Gateway. Note that there is an authorizer here, so only the Cognito user can consume the endpoint. After that, the API Gateway triggers a Lambda function. This Lambda function extracts the message sent by the user and sends it to the OpenAI API, ChatGPT. After that, the API answer with a text, and the Lambda function sends the text to Polly. Polly is a text to voice or text to speech service of AWS. So Polly answers with a voice stream, an audio stream, and we immediately store it in a S3 bucket as an audio file. And after that, we generate a pre-signed URL of the file and we send it back to the user. So really, the user will receive two things: the URL of the audio file and the text message of ChatGPT. And finally, the client app can get the audio file and read it and play it in the application. So this is basically how I did it. If you have any question, any doubts, please don't hesitate. Reach me out on my social networks, Medium or LinkedIn. I hope you liked this video, and that's all. Bye.